Welcome to 2820 Polar Way. I'm just giving you a little shot of the street here in Pine Mountain Club, which is about an hour, 20 minutes north of Los Angeles, just up the 5 freeway. I was an LA native and had never heard about Frazier Park or Pine Mountain Club. It was like the best kept secret until I started looking for a friend for a retreat property, and another broker pointed me over here, and I'm so glad he did. I ended up buying out in Frazier myself. Loved it. I love the 4 seasons, love the snow, love the spring, love the peace. I love hiking in these mountains. They also have horseback riding. They have beautiful events in the summer and winter. I mean, winter you just want to go have a cup of hot cocoa and just hole up. But the owner built this porch and deck and awning. He added to it nice touches. I love the lighting, the exterior lighting, the door. He's a kitchen and bath designer by trade. He actually did my kitchen. So beautiful, like top of the line, just he's a perfectionist. You can tell. I love that. Very clean, elegant, tastefully done. I mean, everything is sparkling and shining. You could just bring a toothbrush, bring some groceries in your pajamas. You will want a refrigerator, and move in. And so it's smaller. It's a 750 square foot, 2-bedroom, 1 bath. And it does have this extra little entrance, this little back porch. Just to give you an idea of how beautiful and quiet it is here. Now this bathroom is amazing. Again, this is what he does for a living. So everything, except for the door's a little squeaky, everything is top of the line. Just beautiful. He has such good taste, very elegant. So for someone who appreciates detail and clean and doesn't want to deal with a lot of, rehab, and you just want to move right in and enjoy Pine Mountain Club. Again, they have concerts in the green in the summertime, which is a really nice thing. I come with my friend. She bought out here. I helped her buy. And they have a golf course. They have a little lake. Not for boating, but I put it in the pictures of the listing. It's beautiful lake. You can walk around, hiking, horseback riding, tennis, beautiful Olympic-sized swimming pool at Pine Mountain Club.